So hello everyone. So now we are going to study about regex module in Python. This module is used to find a specific word in an string. Let's consider it in real life scenarios. Just assume that you are reading a big newspaper and you want to know a specific topic in it, like weather. So for that you have to search entire newspaper, right? So Python will do it automatically. How? Let's do it. First we will import array module. Okay. Then we will give one space, one line of space. Then I will take here one variable which is known as a txt, and I will give here one string, that is hi, my name is Yasin. Okay, this is my text. Now let's I'm interested to know whether in this string Yasin is there or no. For that, how we can do? Re dot search. Okay. Then uh, we have to type that string Yasin, which we are interested to know whether it is exist or no, and then the source in which we have to find, that is txt. Okay. If that string is present in txt, uh, if that string is that word is present in that txt string variable, then for that, if let's store this in first variable, we will store it in variable x. Okay. Okay, if it's true, means that Yasin is content in present in the string, then it should be true and it should be execute. Okay. For that I will print here yes. Okay. Now else. Okay. uh, in else part I will print no. Okay, let's execute this and let's see what would us us will get. So we are getting here yes, that means Yasin string is present here. So let's uh, give such a value that would not exist here. Okay, we'll hello, I will write here hello. Let's search for that. Control S and let's run this code. And as you can see, hello is not present in the string, so it is returning here no. Hope you have got how the array module is going to work. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.